In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale an image in Adobe Illustrator. This is a quick and practical skill that's useful whenever you need to resize an image accurately instead of just dragging it by eye. Using Illustrator's transform panel gives you more control, especially when you want a specific width or height. First, open your Adobe Illustrator file so you can access the image you want to resize. Make sure you're in the correct document before you begin, especially if you're working with multiple artboards or imported graphics. Next, select the image. This step is important because Illustrator needs to know exactly which object you want to transform. Once the image is selected, you should see that it's active and ready for editing. Now go to the top toolbar and click Window. From the drop-down menu, find Transform and select it. This will open the transform panel, which is where you can manually control the size of your image. If you don't already have this panel visible, this is the easiest way to bring it up. Inside the transform panel, look for the fields labeled W for width and H for height. These are the values you'll use to scale your image. Enter the dimensions you want the image to be. This is helpful when you need the image to match a precise size for a layout, design element, or export requirement. Before you confirm the size, check the link or chain icon in the panel. This controls whether the image keeps its original proportions while resizing. If the chain icon is enabled with no slash over it, the width and height stay linked. So changing one value automatically adjusts the other. This is usually the best option if you want to avoid stretching or squashing the image. If the icon is disabled and shows a slash, width and height can be changed independently. That can be useful in some cases, but it may distort the image if you're not careful. Once you've entered your values and chosen whether to keep the proportions linked, press Enter to apply the change. Illustrator will instantly resize the image based on the settings you entered, and that's it. Your image is now scaled in Adobe Illustrator. If you want the cleanest result, it's always a good idea to double-check your dimensions after resizing, especially if you're preparing artwork for print, web, or placement inside a larger design. With the transform panel, resizing becomes much more precise and consistent.